Hello, and today's workshop is going to be based on mental health at work, guidelines for improving mental health at the office. And keep in mind you can use this in your day-to-day life as well. We're here today to discuss ways to create a safe space for your employees. Hello, I am Tanisha Renee. I am the CEO of TR Healing LLC. I have a background in healthcare and I am passionate about mental health. It is extremely important that you are mentally stable, mentally balanced, because as we know in life, things are thrown at you, and you're not necessarily set or prompted to handle certain situations, and then they bring out a negative outcome. So let's continue with the slide. Advocating for mental health benefits not only employees but the company as a whole. Mental health issues affect us all, more than just a personal issue. The mental health of employees can negatively affect the company as a whole, from decreased job performance and productivity, to a breakdown in daily functions. Improving everyone's mental health is significant to our growth as a company. We must keep each other stable, and not that it is one person's job to do that for everyone, but if we do it as a collective, then the outcome is less catastrophic when things arise in a company setting. Open lines of communication. Did you know depression is one of the most common illnesses in society and in the workplace? Interferes with a person's ability to complete a physical task around 20% of the time. It also reduces cognitive performance about 35% of the time. Together, let's promote a culture of mental health awareness. Mental health checks. These are ways that you can go ahead and help your employees understand or have access to the things that they need to keep them mentally stable or mentally secure, which overall affects the self esteem and performance. So here we go. Providing employees with free resources for self mental health checks can go a long way. Checklists, brochures, flyers, and videos. Providing information and the opportunity for treatment can also help us bring attention to mental health awareness. Letting them know that there's an advocate aware or available at their discretion in a private setting is key, because nobody wants their business out there in the street. They want to feel like they're protected and they're understood without judgment. Non judgmental, safe environment. Which brings it to who I am and what I do: life coaching. In house counseling and therapy are effective ways to keep our minds healthy. Because think about it. If you continuously have yourself as your own dumping ground, and not to say that, the life coaches or health coaches or energy healers are dumping grounds, you just know how to transmute the energy and go ahead and clear it out so that you don't carry that heavy load. So if you need to take a day off or rest and recharge your mind, go ahead and do so, please. Comprehensive health insurance that covers mental health issues can encourage more employees to seek with their mental health. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the light that you seek. Namaste.